You can treat most cases of gastritis by dietary changes. In this short video we will closely look at cabbage juice and its effectiveness in treating gastritis and ulcers. Let's first briefly understand gastritis before getting into natural treatment. Gastritis is an inflammation of stomach lining. Stress, alcohol and certain medications like aspirin and other anti-inflammatory drugs are responsible for most cases of gastritis. Other causes include bacterial and viral infection. H. pylori is a bacteria that lives in the mucous lining of the intestine and can cause gastritis that can lead to stomach ulcers if not treated on time. Common symptoms of gastritis include abdominal pain, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite and black and tarry stools. Sometimes there are no symptoms. Whether you have acute gastritis or chronic gastritis, cabbage juice will give you relief in both cases and also reduce your ulcer and cancer risks. Cabbage contains many phytochemical compounds such as camphorol and glucosinolates which not only treat gastritis but also prevent ulcers and stomach cancer. Researchers have found that a sulfur containing a compound called glucosinolates in cabbage can treat cancer. In addition, it contains a large number of antioxidants, 20 different flavonoids and 15 different phenols, and researchers are still counting, and anti-inflammatory agents that keep you healthy. Eating cabbage and drinking cabbage juice protects your stomach linings, heals gastritis and provides other nutrients that are required for better digestion. Untreated gastritis caused by H. pylori bacteria can lead to cancer, but cabbage juice can prevent it. Best way to consume cabbage juice is to eat it and chew well. Wash a half medium-sized cabbage and cut it into small pieces. Eat it raw without any other addition 30 minutes before lunch. You will slowly develop a taste and liking for it. Eat it daily. If you have acute gastritis, it may resolve within a few days, but if you are suffering from chronic gastritis, then it may take longer. In that case, it is recommended to use this remedy under the supervision of a doctor who can monitor your progress. In addition, reduce stress, eat non-inflammatory foods and avoid painkillers for faster recovery from gastritis and ulcers. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.